In this example, we have a few patients and we have their ages recorded. We can see that some patients have their ages recorded in years, other patients have their ages recorded in months, and sometimes we have the word years, sometimes we have just the letter Y, sometimes we have the words month, other times just the letter M. We need to untangle this. We need all of the patients' ages to be in the same unit. To do that, we're going to highlight all of the values that we have, and we're going to use the text to column command. You can find it in the data ribbon, and here is the text to column. Once we click on it, a pop-up window appears. We're going to choose the delimited option, click on next. As a delimiter, we're going to select other, and we're going to use the letter M, lowercase m. And we're just going to click on finish. Now, notice what happened. What Excel did is that it looked for the letter M in our selection. Whenever it found the letter M was deleted, and everything that was to the right of the letter M hopped over one column to the right. So this is the remaining of the word month. And in this case, as it was just an M, nothing appears here in column C. So now we have text values for patients whose ages was recorded in years and numeric values for patients whose ages were recorded in months. What we're going to do is that we're going to create a new variable. We're going to call it age month. We're going to select the numerical values. We're going to press Ctrl C, and over here we're going to paste them as values. Once we have done that, we can delete them from our original table. We want to delete them now because next time when we're going to do the same thing for years, we don't want to confuse to take the ones that have been in months as having been in years. We can also delete this. We select all of the values again. We go to text to columns again, the limited option again. Now instead of a lowercase m, we're going to use a lowercase y. Once we click on finish, the same thing happens. It will look for a lowercase y. Whenever it finds a lowercase y, it will delete it, and anything that's to the left of it will remain on column B. Anything that's to the right of it will hop over to column C. Now we can create yet another variable, age, in this case years. And we're just going to copy these values. And we're going to paste them as values. We can delete everything again. And we're going to do it yet one third time. Text to columns, the limited option. Now instead of a lowercase y, we're going to use an uppercase y. Once we click on finish, we get the same result. We get the age of the patients in numerical values here in this column. We just copy them, and here we can paste them as values. And now we don't need these first two columns. We can have the patient's age either in months or in years. Of course, we want everybody's age to be in the same unit. So what we can do is that we can multiply patients whose ages has been recorded in years. We can multiply it by 12. So just use the equal sign, 12 times content of cell C6, and we press enter, and we get patients' ages in months. You can copy and paste everything over here. Now, if you make any changes to column C, like if we delete it, it will automatically change whatever we have in column B. So let's undo that. To fix that, we're going to select everything. We're going to press Ctrl C to copy it. We're going to right click on the top of it, and we're just going to paste the values. So now we can delete the patient's age in years column. And we have the same information now, all numeric values, and everybody's age is now recorded in